What are the 5 things a real estate agent should do every single day? I get this question more often than not. The 5 things are lead generation, lead follow-up, script and role play, negotiation, and go on appointments. So it's the 20% that will give you the 80% of the results. So we're going to focus on lead generation today. Lead generation does not need to be overcomplicated. I feel that a lot of the times the agents I'm speaking to are a little bit overwhelmed with where to start in the lead generation category. So once they've called all of their friends and family, what do they do now? And everyone seems to think you have to sit down and call through people you don't know and convince them that they should choose you as a realtor. And that is not what we're in the business of doing. So let's focus on what you can do that's a little bit warmer, a little bit more familiar, because it's things you do every day with your friends, your family, your coworkers. Do things like pop buys, okay? Pop buys are no different than you stopping by mom and dad's house, no different than stopping by your friend's house. Stop by anyone's home that you know and simply say, hey, I was in the area, because you are in the area. You're selling real estate in this area. Give them a $5 gift card. Just simply say hi, bring them a flower. You're courting your sphere, that's what you're doing. Perhaps you have a book of business that are your past clients. Do it with them. Our agents on the Woodback team do this all the time, and I cannot tell you what it does to build those relationships. Because let's face it, we're in a people business. If you can't nail how to do and become a great relationship builder, this is not the business for you. Other things you can do are open houses. Do them every single week. Don't do just one. If you're a new agent, do 3 or 4. You can do them during the week. You can do them on the weekend. You can do more than one on the weekend. Go there, learn how to do a great open house. I have a video on that, so search through Thrive, find it, and run the 10-day advance on it. You will get a great crowd, you'll pick up new business, and then you can keep flowing in this lead generation tactic. The third and most simple way that you can lead generate is through our social connections. We've got a lot of platforms out there that you can work with. LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever platform you're on, use it to your best ability. Do not hide behind it as a private platform. It is not. You're no longer in the privacy game. You're a public figure, right? You're out there saying, hello, I'm a realtor, I'm open for business. Yet you're not using these massive platforms to connect with people. Start messaging friends on there, friends of friends that you have connections with. Social media tells you what people are about and want to be known for. Find a common ground and go that route to build a relationship. Then, in addition to that, the last thing that you can do daily is text by video your friends, your family, and your past clients. You simply do a quick video. Hey, it's Jess here, just checking in. I don't know about you, but I'm loving this day. What are you up to? Send it off. Start a conversation. That's all you're looking to do. And automatically, you are gaining ground in building that rapport. And once it is time for that person to buy, sell, or invest, you're there to help them through it. I hope these lead generation tactics have been helpful. If you want to learn more, check out all of the videos below, and I'll talk to you soon. Sun is out, sun is out, sun is out. I did this little move with my daughter last night. Boom, boom, boom. That's what we did.
And then if you could go on that side of that line.
Here? Is this where you need me? It's like someone sitting at their desk right here.
They're 100%.
Oh, shit. Oh. All right, one more time, from the top, Yep, okay. What are the 5? Someone's right behind me.
All right.
Okay.